Hey everyone, my name is Centella and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be sharing with you guys what's inside the surprise Korean skincare box that Yesstyle sent me. So for those of you who are not familiar with Yesstyle, it's actually a website where you can purchase anything under the sun, from your skincare, your makeup, clothes, footwear, accessories, down to your home decors. They've got it for you. So Yesstyle also ships internationally, so wherever you are in this world, Yesstyle will reach your doorstep. Okay, so since this is a skincare video, I've already washed my face and drawn my eyebrows for you guys like usual because I feel naked without them. And aside from that, this is my bare face and we will be trying out the products together. So this is the Korean skincare box that Yesstyle sent me. I've already opened it up and I've already disinfected everything. So just a reminder for everyone, when you receive packages, please disinfect the outside, the inside, and the inside of the inside. I mean, the products inside the boxes. Okay, we can never be too sure. Just disinfect everything. So I've opened this box up already and disinfected it, but I haven't tried out the products yet, so let's do it together. So this box was sent to me by Yesstyle because I'm part of their influencer program. So I also have a code that you guys can use if ever you decide to purchase from Yesstyle. My code is annell and you can get up to 10% discount. I will be putting the links and the codes down below in the description box for you guys to check out. So there, anyway, let's start with this one. So this is the Make Prem Protect Your Skin from the Sun sunblock. It says it's a UV Defense Me. It's blue ray sun fluid. Blue ray sun fluid. And this has SPF 50, safe, lower irritant face and body. Sun fluid for the whole family contains inorganic UV protectant that reflects UV rays from the surface of the skin. So this is 200 ml and this is for, let me check, skincare. So this can be used for the whole body, from your face, to your neck, and to your entire... Ooh, it's big, huh? The size is half of my face. So it comes in 200 ml and let's open it. It smells like your regular sunblock, so let's try it out. Here. Ooh, that's very liquidy. Ooh, it's super smooth. Okay, let's put it on our face. Ooh, the smell is so strong. Actually, it reminds me of the beach. It smells like you're gonna go swimming on the beach. So I feel like this is the kind of sunblock that leaves a white cast when you wear it, but white cast doesn't really matter if you're just going along your day every day without any photography. So there. Ooh. I think it has like a brightening effect on the skin, or it's just white. I feel like this sunblock is more on for heavier sunblock days because the consistency is quite thick and the smell is lingering. I can still smell it on my face. So if you're someone who's sensitive to fragrance, you will not like this. My first impressions for this one is that, okay, it's not as tacky as I thought it would be. So it's not as tacky and thick as your beach sunblocks, but it definitely gives that feeling because of the smell. It gave my face like a whiter look because it's white. So yeah, so far it's fine. Yeah, it's fine. Let's see throughout the video what happens. Next is this Klairs. They gave me an entire full jar of this Klairs Fundamental Water Gel Cream. So this is a moisturizer. It says here, it provides full moisture without the stickiness. Let's try it out. Ooh. So this is what the jar looks like. Here. Okay, now I'm seeing it on the screen. Feeling my monitor. I'm seeing it on the screen of my camera that my face is very white. Ghost white. Anyway, here is the moisturizer. It even comes with a spatula. Yay! So this makes it hygienic to use. So, oh, tigas. So let's open it up. I feel like I'm gonna eat pudding. Ooh! As for the smell, it doesn't really have a scent. It smells like nothing. So this is what it looks like. Ah! Annel! Anyway, so that's the product. Okay, now you see that it's very, very liquidy. Okay, so since this is the part that spilled out, let's try that on my face. I wasn't even able to use the spatula. The consistency reminds me of snail products, if ever you've tried those already. So it's really like it says in the box naman, it's like jelly. So no smell. No smell. Ooh, it has a cooling sensation on the face, huh? But I feel like I added too much product because of the spill situation. But yeah, okay. Okay, let's put it all over our neck as well. There, let's not forget the neck, because you know the neck ages fast. So someone once told me that if you wanna know someone's age, you look at their neck, and if it's all saggy and dry, that's when you know that they're older than they say they are, charot. But okay, now let's clean this bottle up. Okay, I feel like these products together aren't the perfect mix as of now, because this one, like I said, it's not for your everyday wear, I think, because it's a bit too thick. And this one naman is really light on the face, but layering them on together just feels, ayan na, it's here, the tackiness and the sticky feeling present. Looking like a sweaty girl right now. Whew. Anyway, let's move on to the next product. So the next product in this box is this. So this is the Clubvue. So this is the Clubvue. I'm not sure how you pronounce that. It has 2 U's, so let me know. Clubvue Nourishing Lip Sleeping Pack. Ooh. So just a short story. I've actually had a bad experience with a different, very, very popular sleeping pack in the past. So I used it overnight, and then the next day my lips were so patchy and dry that it had like rough patches. I've never experienced anything like that on my lips. So after that experience with that brand, I never had the courage to try again another lip sleeping pack yon, because I had to get rid of those patches for weeks. So medyo traumatic. Ang pangit. So anyway, so this is my first lip sleeping pack since that time. That was like 2 years ago, I think. And this is what the packaging looks like. Ooh, I love that it's in this rose gold pinkish kind of blush color. Daming color na sinabi. But yeah, this is what it looks like. And when we open it up, it smells like vanilla. Okay, let's try it out. Ooh. It's clear. It's just clear. Feels great on the lips. So that's what it looks like. I feel like if we were actually going to sleep tonight, I would add more. But yeah, my first impressions is that it smells good. It feels good on the lips. I mean, it's not annoyingly sticky. Well, since it's a sleeping pack naman, so you're just gonna lie down anyway. So yeah. Quick update about my face. It's starting to feel hot. So that's it for this Clubvue Nourishing Care Lip Sleeping Pack. Okay, we're down to the last product from this box. Ta-da! So this is the Purito Yesstyle exclusive bundle. Wow, I've actually seen Purito, I'm not sure how you pronounce it. I've seen this on Hiram's vlogs, and he said really good stuff about this. So yeah, let's open it up. So this Purito Centella travel kit bundle is exclusive to Yesstyle. I think it would be better to buy smaller versions of the products and try it out, and that's when you proceed to buy the full-size bottles. You know, instead of wasting money on getting a big bottle and then you break out, or your skin just doesn't like it. At least with smaller packs like this, you get to try out the products before actually committing to a full-size bottle. This is their Centella line. It comes in 4 products. So let's start with this one, which is the Centella Calming Toner. So this smells leafy, if you would. It has this thing before you open it up. So you know, maybe I'll save this entire line for a separate review, so I won't be testing them out today. Okay, and the next product is this Centella Level Buffet Serum. So this is actually the product that I've seen on Hiram's vlogs, and this is a highly recommended product from Hiram, so I'm excited to try this out. Smells exactly like its sister. Ooh, sorry. And then the next one is this Centella Level Recovery Cream. Let me guess, it smells like the other products. Yep, and it comes in this thing also. And lastly, we have the Centella Green Level Sunblock. Yeah, we love sunblock. You know, we can never have too much sunblock around here. Yeah. I will be reviewing this entire Purito line in a separate video. So thank you so much, Yesstyle, for sending me these Korean skincare products. I am so thankful and grateful. Thank you so much. So if you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to give it a like. And if you haven't yet, please consider subscribing to my channel down below. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys!